YouTube is one of the largest video sharing platforms. It offers several avenues for creators to monetize their content, such as ad revenue, channel memberships, and merchandise sales. YouTube earnings can vary widely based on factors like the number of views, engagement, niche, and the effectiveness of monetization strategies employed by creators. Today in this video, I am going to show you top 5 beginner-level ideas to make money from YouTube. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 5. Educational content. This niche involves creating videos that teach viewers about a specific subject or skill. Creators share informative and instructional content on topics such as science, history, language learning, and more. The key is to provide valuable insights in an engaging and easily understandable manner. Monetization methods include ad revenue, crowdfunding platforms like Patreon for dedicated supporters, and offering premium educational content or online courses. Building credibility through well-researched information and clear explanations is essential to attract an audience seeking to learn and expand their knowledge. This content style requires a passion for teaching, effective communication skills, and a commitment to continuous learning to provide accurate and relevant information to viewers. Number 4. Vlogs and lifestyle content. Vlogs and lifestyle content entails sharing personal experiences, daily activities, and insights with viewers. Creators offer a glimpse into their lives, often including travel, hobbies, routines, and thoughts on various topics. Authenticity and relatability are crucial for building a loyal audience. Monetization avenues include ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. As the channel gains followers, creators can explore collaborations with brands aligned with their lifestyle. This content format requires consistent uploads, strong storytelling skills, and the ability to connect emotionally with viewers. Sharing genuine moments and relatable stories can foster a sense of community and contribute to the channel's growth and profitability. Number 3. Gaming and live streaming. Gaming and live streaming involves creating content centered around video games. Creators can record gameplay, provide commentary, and share tips, strategies, and reviews. Live streaming allows real-time interaction with viewers, fostering a sense of community. Revenue can come from ad earnings, channel memberships, and viewer donations during live streams. Successful gaming channels often require a consistent schedule, engaging commentary, and a charismatic personality. Additionally, partnerships with gaming companies, merchandise sales, and participation in gaming events can further monetize the channel. Number 2. Product reviews and unboxing. It is a popular YouTube content approach where creators share their opinions, insights, and experiences with various products. These videos often involve showcasing the unboxing process, revealing the product's features, and providing an honest assessment of its pros and cons. Creators can earn money through affiliate marketing by including links in their video descriptions, allowing them to earn a commission when viewers make purchases through those links. Engaging visuals, clear narration, and a genuine evaluation help build trust with the audience. As the channel gains traction, brands might approach the creator for sponsored reviews, offering compensation for featuring their products. Number 1. How-to and tutorial videos. Creating how-to and tutorial videos on YouTube involves producing content that educates and guides viewers on a specific topic or skill. These videos can range from teaching practical tasks like cooking a recipe, fixing a household problem, or mastering a software application. By presenting clear step-by-step instructions, visual demonstrations, and insightful explanations, creators offer valuable solutions to their audience's needs. This format not only establishes the creator as an expert in their field, but also encourages viewer engagement through comments and questions. As the audience grows, ad revenue and potential partnerships with brands seeking to reach a targeted demographic can generate income. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more future updates. Thanks for watching.